Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech It Simple. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your Union Bank credit card account. If you'd like to get access to a credit card account, you'll need to go ahead and log into your Union Bank online banking account. So keep watching the video till the end to learn the process. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. And also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Open up a web browser to begin. In the address field that appears at the top of the screen, type in Union Bank credit card login and press enter. Click on this first link that you see that says sign in and you'll find yourself in the credit card portal for Union Bank. In the right hand side you should see the sign in area. Go ahead and type in a username for your bank account. After you're done, head over to the next field and type in your password. Make sure to double check your password by clicking on the little icon in the right corner, which will help you reveal your password. In case you've forgotten, you should click on the Forgot Username link and follow the on-screen prompts. Similarly, if you happen to forget your password, click on the Forgot Password link and follow the instructions to reset to a new password. Finally, after entering your credentials correct and you're ready to log in, click on the Submit button. And that is how you'll be able to log into your Union Bank credit card account. With a credit card account, you can make your payments and access all of the account information online using your computer or your mobile devices. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, do give us a thumbs up. Either that series more tutorial contents like this. Thank you for watching.